Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make text responsive in Framer. So as you can see, I have text right here. All you need to do is click on that text, and then here on the right hand panel you'll see the properties. And here, as you can see, we have effect. Okay, if you don't see this, just click on this plus icon. For example, when you click on this text, right, I just click on the plus icon and we get different effects. So you can do appear, for example, and then we get that as the effect. Now I'll show you here the different effects. So if I click here on effect, you'll see the triggers. So we have different triggers. We have on appear, layer in view, and section in view. You can choose the trigger, you can choose the preset, and you can also do the preview right here. Okay, I'll show you here. Let's scroll down. I'll do it for this one. Okay, I'll show you the different effects. So here we have shake. Okay, you can choose shake and it will shake. It will show you what it would look like. You can do rotate, as you can see, different options. Okay, I'll just leave it at shake. And I'll even give you a preview for the whole website. I'll show you how this works. When this layer comes in view, you can choose the start, okay, where you want it to start from the top, for example, and how you want it to be done, for example, per line or the whole element, words or different characters, right? And then you can do the delay as well. Okay, now let's go ahead and preview this. You can just close this. Let's come here, click on preview, and as you can see, this one should appear. Then if I scroll down, this one should do a shake, as you can see, and the other ones are just set to appear. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple, and that is how you make text responsive in Framer.